guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the boba tea that I got from FiveBelow. So here we go. I'm going to open it up with this little handy dandy tool. I know I shouldn't be using it for this, but it comes in handy. So we're going to try it. Hopefully they don't mute this video because of the music, because I don't own no rights to it. Alright, you guys are opening it just like me. Why can I not open this? Maybe if I put this, got it. Got it with this little end. Alright. I literally saved from opening this so I could do this video. Alright, that's garbage. I don't know. Sorry for the brief interruption. Babe had to come tell me something. Alright. There's nothing else in the box, so that's garbage. That's garbage. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Look at her. It's so adorable. Oh, I gotta be careful when I open this, huh? So you get the power cord, the instructions, but who really reads those? Anyway, so maybe I do need the instructions. Maybe I don't. It should be pretty simple. You get one wrap. And then this is what it looks like with the little rack in there. But I'm pretty sure you could, if you didn't want the rack, you didn't have to put it in there. So, let's see. I got my open Pepsi can. Trust me, I'm not trying to. I didn't plug it in yet. So, if I wanted to, I could put one whole can in there. So what? Maybe, what, like 4 at the bottom if I wanted to? And then probably like 2 waters, or if I use little waters, let me ask my son. Jakari?
Yeah.
Can you bring me 2 little waters?
Yep. Got you.
So we're gonna see. 2, yes.
Okay.
So we're about to see. I like this little thing though. Like, and it was only $25 at FiveBelow. And then on the back, it just got off and then cool. So like, I'm gonna plug it in once I can, of course. But what's taking them so long? Like, why are you taking so long to grab some waters? I said 2 waters. They're in the fridge. All right, let's unwrap this thing. And who needs this? It's garbage. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick up my mess. Alright, this is zip tied together. Well, not zip tied, it's twisted together. He was on his way in here and then went back. What in the world?
Can I put it in?
Yes, you can put it in. My little helper wants to put it in the little fridge.
Hi. Got Minecraft.
Okay, so he put it at the bottom. So you see, you could put 2, and then I could probably, let's see. Yep, it still closes. So this is what I wanted these for though. So I could put, what, 2 little waters up here? Yeah, 2 little waters. And then I could put like 1 thing of pop here, and then like tea or something on the other side. So that's pretty cool. Here you go, Jakar. So that is me unboxing this video. Thank you for watching my video. You guys have a good one. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. My little monster wants to say bye to you guys. Monster! Maybe he's not coming. Jakari! You gonna come say bye to them? Him and his little faces.
Bye.
Alright, I'm signing off.